Hi, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to use voice changer in Roblox. So right here is my Play Store app. All you have to do is to download voice changer from your Play Store app. We have different kind of voice changer. You just have to download the one you want and turn it on. Having done that, you just have to go to your Roblox app and log in. Go to your Roblox game. So these are the various different kind of game we have on our Roblox. Now if you turn on your voice changer and you also turn on your voice chat on your Roblox game, your voice will change automatically as you start playing the game on Roblox. So guys, that is it on how to use voice changer in Roblox. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.